one of the things that I've always loved about Breezeway is the scalability. So we started with Breezeway a long time ago when we had maybe, I don't even know, 30 properties. And our business looked a little different then. And we didn't use all of the tools within Breezeway, all the features. We just used basically the scheduling. But as our company has grown, we've been able to grow with Breezeway and start using different tools within the software, like the guidebook and the messaging. As our business has grown, we've brought cleaning in-house. So then all of a sudden our needs changed a little bit. And the tools that we now needed were already there in the software that we've chosen with Breezeway. We didn't have to make any changes. And if you've been in this business anytime, you know how valuable it is to not have to change softwares because onboarding can be a nightmare, especially the bigger you get. It's harder and harder. So that's one of the things I really appreciate about Breezeway is that as we grow, we've been able to stay with the software and it has all the tools we need for our growth.